Okay, rare afternoon trip, and this is really down. It's crazy. You know, they let it get up so high in the spring, and then we get the heavy rains, and it takes them most of the summer to get it back down, and it's never stopped. They just keep running water till it gets really low. So anyway, whatever. I'm giving it a shot this afternoon, so let's see what we get come up with. Yeah. Oh, a little too heavy on that one. Oh my God. Yeah. Okay, we're using small ones. All right. By the way, this is a new rod and wheel combo. Broke my last one, so I just went down. The other reel was getting kind of rough, so this is a Kuma 500, and this is a Berkeley amp. It's a 6.6 medium light, moderately fast. So kind of not crazy about it, but it's getting the job done. I just may probably need to use it a little bit more. I catch more green sunfish off these than anything else. Worms. I mean, I catch them off worms. So something about a beaver skin they got. Oh, there's something. There's something. I'm out of mine. Yeah, it feels like a white bass. Oh, there's something. I bet it's a white bass. What do you want to bet? Yeah, it feels like a white bass. Yes, sir. They hit good. Yeah, he makes some nice fillets if you like to eat them. I particularly don't like to eat those white bass. I will if someone else catches and cooks them. I'll eat them. Cleans them and everything. If I go fish fry and that's all they got, it's what I'm eating. Oh, there he is. Oh, a little ditch pickle that time. He'd make some good live bait if I was really going to stay here past dark. I'd put him on a hook right quick. Yes, sir. There he is in the sun. I don't know. They would have ate. There we go. There's another one. That's a little larger, but ooh. need a good catfish bait, live bait. I was trying to catch some of these. Put it on a trot line or something like that. I couldn't catch it. Okay. Oh, there he is. I need to get my catfish rod. Oh, pretty nice little ditch pickle. He makes some good live bait too. Oh, look at a little chunky, little chunker. And you got them bass guys, they'll buy a $50,000, $60,000 truck and $80,000 boat, $20,000 worth of fishing gear, $30,000 electronics to catch fish like that. And here I am with a dollar beetle spin. He's a chunk. Should have kept him and that white bass. They would have ate. Let's just see what we get. Oh, well. Nope. I don't know. I maybe tripped over that one. I don't know. Didn't think I did. Maybe they're fixing to bite. Of course they're fixing to bite. I was thinking about going home. Don't leave. Oh man. I was gonna stay past dark. I'd put a couple of them on the okay, now we got this one. Seems like a pretty decent fish. Whatever it is. I'll say that one comes real easy up there. Or wait for it. Gasper goo. I was just thing to say, Gasper goo. There he is. Look at that. Good. Got him good right there. If I had time, I might clean him. Anyway, I don't have time. We got a long drive tomorrow. I told you, I think I told you I got a new camera. I don't know if I told you what it was. It's a DJI Osmo Action 5. Oh, come on, did I get him? No, I don't think so. No, I didn't. I don't know if I'd recommend it. For the simple reason you have to download their app to activate the camera. I don't think you should have to just. So I used a burner phone. Oh, dadgummit. I used a burner phone and a burner email to sign up and everything, activate the camera. I'm sorry. I don't trust the Chinese. No farther than I can throw them. And there's a reason. Oh, there's a reason they make you, activate that. And the terms of service is crazy. So let's see how many shad we got left over. I'll throw them out there, and them little bass will just tear them up right there on top of that water. That or at store kill.